I'm Marianne Binetti, and today I'm going to talk about cutting back your overgrown petunia baskets or mixed flowering baskets that have a lot of petunias or overly zealous growth in them. So here's a hanging basket. I took it off the porch where it's hanging a little bit higher, and I moved it to an area with this hanger that allows it to be low so I can easily work with it. Now, normally throughout the summer, if you're on top of things, you'll just go through and you will cut off branches of your petunias or your annuals and be shaping your hanging baskets. And actually, petunias are pretty nice cut flowers. You can put these in a vase and enjoy the fragrance indoors. But a situation like this, where it's midsummer, this whole basket has gotten away with you, and because we will be going on vacation, we're not going to be here, but we'll have somebody constantly watering and fertilizing our plants. I can bring out the big guns. That means is give up the little hand pruners and go with the great big hedge trimmers. This is to demonstrate how drastically you can cut back a petunia and cut off basically all the blooms. And look what we find in here. Now we can see the verbena that was hidden underneath all the petunia blooms. The verbena is going to get more sun. That will get to dominate. I'm trying not to cut the verbena, just the longest of the petunias. And you could always go back when you see where the verbena is and try to cut back the petunias away from that verbena. But any of this that hangs down, just snap it all off. It's okay to leave no blooms on a petunia in midsummer, as long as you remember, now you're going to make sure this is kept well watered and fertilize, fertilize, fertilize. I use a slow release plant food at planting time, and I also use a plant food like Miracle Grow that's mixed into the watering can at least once a week to really get my hanging baskets full of blooms and very, very full. So it's a great way to renovate, recharge, and redo your hanging baskets. Go ahead with these petunias, snap them back in a big way, hopefully when you don't have to look at them for the next couple of weeks while they regenerate. This has been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.